What's up, guys? Boss32 Gamer here, and we're going to talk Mustangs. And if you are a fan like me, you know what this photo right here is. These right here are the first leak of the 2015. Obviously, it's all covered up. You can't see anything. So it's all the, ooh, what is it? What is it? What is it going to look like? Blah, 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 come out. Well, here we go. This is the first photo of what the front end might look like. Again, this could change. Maybe, maybe not, but I have to say I like it. It is definitely aggressive looking at that shorter front end and those little make the headlights even smaller than they are. Kind of, definitely has an aggressive look. Definitely in this picture right here, it looks beastie, and I can't wait until the actual unveiling of this entire car later on this year. Because like all of us, we're excited to see what this thing looks like, and I'm excited to see some paint on this. So this, all these little teasers that's going around here. So I don't know. I like it so far. I mean, obviously I can't get one, but you know what? It might be because right now 2014 is my favorite model. So we'll see. Guys, hit me up in the comment box. See what you guys think. Peace.